Artificial intelligence is changing the world as we know it. One of the most exciting areas of AI development is in video creation. AI videos are no longer a futuristic concept, they are here and now. But what exactly are AI videos? Simply put, AI videos are videos created or enhanced using artificial intelligence. This can range from using AI to generate entire videos from scratch to using AI to automate tasks like editing and adding special effects. The importance of AI in modern media, particularly video, cannot be overstated. AI is making video creation more accessible, affordable, and efficient. This is democratizing video production, allowing individuals and small businesses to create high-quality videos that were once only possible with large budgets and teams. Just like a captain plotting a course, a successful AI video project requires careful planning. This crucial first stage, known as pre-production, lays the groundwork for a smooth and efficient production process. First and foremost, you need to define your audience and purpose. Who are you trying to reach with your video? What message do you want to convey? Answering these questions will shape your entire video strategy. Once you have a clear understanding of your target audience and objectives, it's time to outline the key messages and themes you want to convey. This will provide a roadmap for your video, ensuring that it stays focused and impactful. Finally, consider the resources you have available. This includes your budget, time constraints, and technical expertise. By realistically assessing your resources, you can set achievable goals and avoid common pitfalls down the line. A compelling script is the backbone of any successful video, and AI videos are no exception. This is where you breathe life into your ideas and give your video its unique voice. Start by outlining the key points you want to cover in your script. Think about the flow of information and how you can best engage your audience from start to finish. Next, choose a tone and style that aligns with your brand and target audience. Are you going for a formal and informative tone or something more casual and conversational? Remember, a good script is more than just words on a page. It's about crafting a narrative that captivates your viewers and leaves a lasting impression. With your script in hand, it's time to explore the exciting world of AI video software. These powerful tools can automate tasks, generate visuals, and even create entire videos from text prompts. When selecting AI video software, consider your specific needs and technical skills. Some software is geared towards beginners, offering user-friendly interfaces and templates. Others cater to more experienced users, providing greater control and customization options. Don't be afraid to experiment with different software options to find the perfect fit for your project. Many offer free trials, allowing you to test the waters before committing to a subscription. With your script finalized and AI software selected, it's time to roll up your sleeves and dive into the production process. This stage is where your vision starts to take shape. If your video involves live-action footage, carefully plan your shots and ensure you have the necessary equipment. This may include cameras, microphones, and lighting. For AI-generated videos, focus on inputting your script and any specific instructions into your chosen software. Many platforms allow you to customize aspects like character appearance, background music, and overall style. Remember, even with the assistance of AI, it's important to maintain a hands-on approach during production. Regularly review the output, provide feedback, and make adjustments as needed to ensure your video stays true to your vision. One of the most exciting aspects of AI video production is the ability to enhance your videos with artificial intelligence. AI tools can automate tedious tasks, add special effects, and even create realistic virtual avatars. For example, AI-powered video editing software can automatically transcribe your audio, cut your footage, and add transitions. This frees up your time to focus on the creative aspects of post-production. AI can also generate realistic voiceovers in multiple languages, making your videos accessible to a global audience. You can even create virtual avatars that mimic human movements and expressions, opening up a world of possibilities for explainer videos, product demos, and more. Post-production is where you add the finishing touches that transform your raw footage into a polished masterpiece. This stage involves editing, adding music and sound effects, and color correction. Start by reviewing your footage and assembling the best takes. Cut away any unnecessary sections and ensure a smooth flow between scenes. Next, add music and sound effects to enhance the mood and emotions you want to evoke. a well-chosen soundtrack can make all the difference in creating an immersive viewing experience. Finally, use color correction tools to adjust the brightness, contrast, and color balance of your video. This will give your video a professional look and feel. While AI video production offers many advantages, there are still potential pitfalls to avoid. By being aware of these common mistakes, you can ensure a smoother and more successful production process. One common mistake is relying too heavily on AI. Remember, AI tools are meant to assist you, not replace your creativity and judgment. Always review the output and make adjustments as needed to ensure it aligns with your vision. Another pitfall is neglecting the importance of audio. Poor audio quality can ruin even the most visually stunning video. Use a good microphone and consider adding background music or sound effects to enhance the viewing experience. Finally, don't underestimate the power of storytelling. Even with all the latest AI tools at your disposal, a compelling narrative is what will truly captivate your audience. The world of AI video production is constantly evolving, with new tools and techniques emerging all the time. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative and accessible video creation tools in the future. Imagine a world where you can generate entire videos from text prompts, complete with realistic characters, stunning visuals, and perfectly synced audio. This future is closer than you might think. As AI lowers the barrier to entry for video production, we can expect to see an explosion of creative content from individuals and businesses of all sizes. This democratization of video creation has the potential to revolutionize the way we communicate, share stories, and experience the world around us.